Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today is just a very quick kind of spontaneous video. I was on my way to pick up my ironing from the lovely lady who does my ironing, and as people walking past, it's really awkward talking to yourself in your car when people are walking past. Just on my way to put my ironing up from the lovely lady who does it for me, and it's very convenient because Asda is literally next door to her house, so it would have been rude not to. So I'm going to go in. It's 3:30 now and it's a Sunday afternoon, so it's only going to be a very quick little come shop with me in Asda, but there's so much stuff out there and I've seen so much stuff on Instagram and on the other Disney vloggers YouTube accounts that I thought I've got to come and have a look. I did come in about 2 weeks ago and I brought a few bits, one of them being my fitted sheet. I think I shared it on Instagram, because you don't very often get king size Mickey bedding because they think it's for the kids, but it's not. They should always do king size bedding, so because we want it, us grown-ups, we want king size bedding. Anyway, my cousin's just messaging me about she lives in Los Angeles and she's going to the 50th Disney celebrations, and she's trying to find out how much we pay for tickets, because our tickets are a lot cheaper than they can buy in the US. So she's just messaging me finding out kind of what price they are, and if it'd be possible for me to get her some tickets. I don't know how that works, but anyway, yeah, I'm going to go into Asda. I'll take you along with me, see what nice stuff they've got, and let's do this. Let's see how much money we can spend. No, I'm joking, I'm not going to spend any, because I'm just going to have a look, I promise. Oh, this is nice. I like this. This is in the ladies section, but get it down. I reckon that could be male or female, couldn't it? £8. Also got the Mickey rucksacks going on. That is £14. Okay, so into the PJs. So we got some mini pyjamas there, £16. And they got the full length trousers to them. And the mini nightie. It's quite a long one, and they look, that's £10. What they got at the back here? No, that's not Disney, not interested. Oh, thumper. Oh, they're nice and soft, and it's short sleeve, that one. And yeah, they got long trousers, and they are £15. So we've got some Mickey socks there. Eel, and we've got some Marie socks down there. They're all 3 packs and they're all a £5 each. Also got some non-Disney branded Wonder Woman stuff and Me to You bears. And who doesn't want Simba pants and Space Jam? Oh, and My Little Pony. Let's have a look. How much are these? £3.50. Oh, and you get, no, just the one pair. £3.50. They've got loads more Mickey stuff. And Disney pants. It's like a long jumper. That's really cute as well. And some kind of Mickey Mouse jumpsuit. If you're into that. Oh, this is nice. Like a neon Donald.
You're not going to wear them, are you, Pinky? So we're not going to... Should we have a little look at the clothes?
That is £15. Got this really cool retro mini jumper. Dumbo up there. Another star bag, rucksack, and going into the kiddies bits now. Kiddie socks, girls pants. Well, that's cool, that beanie. Oh, look at the little dress set there. And they got, oh that's nice, that Mickey and Friends one. They've just got loads of bits. Marie again, a Mickey tracksuit. Kids Mickey socks, another Mickey tracksuit, top. So many cool Mickey bits for kids. Oh, the Frozen 2 backpack. Baby wise, we've got some bits there. What have we got here? Oh, is that a little Mickey soother? Oh, how cool is that? It's so sweet, that's £6. Got some rucksacks. That Buzz one looks really similar to the Loungefly. Very similar. Forky, we all love Forky. Oh, got some more girls' coats, £20. What else have we got? Oh, there's quite a few bits in the reduced rail. Mickey shorts, little Mickey sets for kiddies. Oh, so cute. I wish Mason was little again. What else have we got? Oh no, Paw Patrol down here. Oh, we've got creeper pyjamas, most would love them. How much are they? £11. Well, he doesn't really wear pyjamas anymore. He's kind of a pants kind of kid in bed. So, houseware wise, I bought this last week. Fitted cheap. They got 101 Dalmatian towels, bath mats, hand towels. They got some more matching bits for 101 Dalmatians. So they got the soap dispenser and the toothbrush holder. And they got poo. Who doesn't want poo on their towel? I love that Disney mirror. Okay, so more homewares. They got the Mickey home set, and what I like about Asda is they do the king size bed linen, because we have a king size bed. Actually, we got a super king duvet set, so I can't have any of these, but I can have the king size fitted sheet. Well, that's nice. Mickey teddy bear throw, £22. And that's nice as well. And it's really, really soft, £18. Oh, it's really dangerous coming here. Asda have so many nice things. And then they've got the kiddies sections. They've got Marvel stuff, Lion King, 101 Dalmatians, Frozen, Toy Story, Mickey up there. And then they got cups, mats and water bottles. Oh look, I've even got a water dispenser down there. So I'm heading down because I saw online on Instagram someone had a saucepan, a pancake saucepan with a Mickey shape in it, so you can make your pancakes Mickey shaped. I'm just popping down to see if they've got it down here. I really hope they have. But my bank account really hopes they haven't. Okay, so they've got a few hot drinks containers. A child. Hot drinks containers are £6, I think. So they have got the Disney sets here. So the Winnie the Pooh is 35 and 101 Dalmatians 35. Let's see the Christmas sets along here. They've got the glasses. And what I've got here. Oh, that's really cute. That 101 damage, that's really nice. It's white inside. My mugs have to be white inside. I don't like mugs that are dark inside. Absolutely perfect in every way for the child. They've got so much. Actually, one of my colleagues, as my Secret Santa, bought me this last year. Let's have a look. Tablecloths. Don't see it. I know Primark are doing a cutlery. I don't know if Asda are. So sugar tea and coffee canisters and some tea towels. Oven gloves are £5. Tea towels are £5 as well. Well done. I'm back out in the car. I'm heading over to pick up my iron in. They didn't have the thing that I really wanted that I was going to buy. The Mickey Mouse pancake pan thing. It's a pancake pan and it's got Mickey etched in the bottom, and it's got a squeezy thing for the pancake stuff that you squeeze out in the shape of Mickey, and it does your pancakes in the shape of Mickey. Anyway, they didn't have that anyway. So I have to come back another week, see if they got it, or I can have a look online, see if they got that, and I just do click and collect. Anyway, Christmas stuff, they didn't have a lot of the Christmas stuff out. I have got the Mickey Christmas pasta bowls. I ordered them online because I really love them, and we use them, we're going to use them all year round anyway. And they were £5. I ordered the 4 of them. But they didn't have a lot of the Christmas stuff out in our Asda at the minute. But they did have loads of homeware and loads of bedding and loads of clothes and kiddies clothes, tons of it, but you would have seen it on the video anyway. But that's it for today. If you like the video, remember to subscribe. I'm gonna go do a Primark come shop with me, not next week, the week after. And of course there's our usual Team Taylor adventure vlogs on our days out. Next week Trevor and I are off to Bombay Sapphire Distillery, just the 2 of us, for the gin distillery tour, and I think you can have lunch there now, and anyway you get a free cocktail, but Trevor will end up having 2 because I'm bound to be driving. So we will catch up with you then, but as I say, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.